Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So the dollar again, I mean, if you've been following along, I mean, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This right here does look like it possibly is a wave 5 and maybe a top. But I am a big believer, especially looking at all JPY pairs, especially the JPY basket, that there's a very good chance that this is going to keep going up and it probably is going to eventually take out these highs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, very strong move down. But the thing you have to pay attention to is it never broke any structure to the downside. It really never gave us any reason to think that this is going down in a big way. Now, as we go down the sort of time frames, it definitely will lead you to believe that this could be an A, this could be a B, and this could go down again for a wave C. But I actually think that that is the least likely possibility that that is going to happen. I actually think that this right here is the end of like a motor wave correction and that this is actually just going to keep on going up and eventually make new highs. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely turning down a little bit as you can see, but we're not at a fib level. We're not breaking any structure. We don't see any lower highs. I think this move down is going to be nothing more than a correction to the uptrend. I definitely am primarily still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement. We definitely do have a nice little five-way pattern up right here. Now, this is probably going to make a correction to this move up right now. So I think that it probably is, in the short term, probably going to go down. But I think it will go down to one of these fib levels, probably break structure to the upside, and eventually continue the uptrend. It doesn't have to happen at the 38%. I mean, really, it could happen on any one of these levels. The 61.8 actually looks like it has a lot of support and resistance in the past. So, I mean, maybe it will go all the way down to the 61.8 before it actually does end up continuing back up. So we're taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. I would possibly, if I was trading the 1 hour time frame in under, I would definitely be looking for shorts. I mean, I think it is probably going to go down, probably at least to one of these lower fib levels. It's at least going to go down, take out these lows, I believe. So until you see a Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure, I definitely would be a seller. But once you see a picture like this, I would definitely stop looking for sells and I would start looking for longs again because I do think the overall trend on the much higher time frames is up, and I do believe that it will continue to trend on those higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.